Hi everyone, Richard here. I would like to show you something new for the Action 3. So with the Action 3, I couldn't use my usual Comica wireless mic because the adapter doesn't fit in and it doesn't work with this. So what happened is, this is a USB Type-C adapter here, plugged in here, direct. So it allows direct USB connection, right? So that's why SmallRig came up with this USB mic system that is simple. And let's open it up and have a look. So this is just all the catalogs on how to use. And then you have this is the cable. Let's open it up. I'm glad they come out with a easier, simpler version than what I'm using now. I'm using quite complicated with all the 3.5mm jack Comica, but this is a dual system, so it's meant for cameras anyway. So this is the charging cable, right? So, and nothing else in the box, but this is called the SmallRig Wave 1 W1C wireless lavalier microphone. So this is model 3495, right? So let's open it up. It's a very nice case. It's easy for you to carry around. It's got a dead cat here, right? Nice little dead cat. And this is the main unit, and this is the lavalier mic, right? So let's put it down and have a look. So this is the one that you plug to the Type-C. What I like is when you plug in, you can just it becomes an antenna, right? So, and this is the one that you clip on to your collar, right? And that's where the dead cat is. It's such a simple system that is easy to carry around. So you can just carry around this, and this looks cute though. Let's draw an eye here and then Mr. Fluffy. So anyway, we'll test it without this dead cat first. Right, so this is where the mic goes. You technically need to take out the door if you want it to be easier, nicer, or you just plug it in Type-C here. Yep, goes in, and then that's your wireless mic, right? So, and it can turn. You can just point it down because the door is there. You can leave it like that. You can point it this way if you want, right? So this looks nice. So just point it down. And you can see now it's on. The mic is there, level. You can hear testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Hi everyone, so now we're out. We're going to test out the SmallRig wireless mic for the Action 3, which is here. I normally mount it here and I talk and you can hear, but I'm going to try out this wireless mic. And nice bird call. I wonder which bird is that. Reason is the Comica which I'm using on the Osmo Action. I'm not using it now. It's actually for the Osmo Action. The adapter and the 3.5mm jack doesn't work with this Action 3. So I got this SmallRig wireless mic to test it out on the Action 3. So you can see the USB here, and then this is the mic part. This is not a distance mic. You can't use this far from your voice. You need to clip it on. So I'm going to show how it looks like on the Action 3. So now I'm testing out the Action 3 without the lav mic, and this is here, the SmallRig lav mic here. and you can hear the sound, action 3, and then the Osmo actions on the right at the same time. So I'm going to plug in the this left mic, and you can hear how the sound sounds like. Pretty noisy bird, right? Okay, the left mic is on, so I'm going to put it, testing 1 2 3. Okay, I can see the icon there, so I'm going to put it on my shirt here. Okay, let's take the Osmo action. You can see left mic, testing 1 2 3. You can see the mic is moving. If the mic is not Lavalier is not moving, means you're not getting the audio. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let's see how far I can go. Testing 1 2 3. If you can hear me. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Right, I'm probably like 10 feet. Let's go back further. Maybe 20 feet away. Right, testing 1 2 3. Can you still hear me? Is it far enough? It's pretty far. You wouldn't want to be so far from the camera, right? So let's go. If we're going to test this out, it's going to be an interesting thing because it's just very lightweight, and you just plug in the USB and you don't have any other thing there. So testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, now it seems to be louder. Let's try this again. We're walking back. So let's see how far it goes. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? We're going further away, probably about 20 feet. Right? So 10 feet. Now should be around 20 feet here. Right? Am I picking up? Okay, if I turn around, will the voice go away if I turn around away from the camera? So now I'm away from the camera, the other way. Let's go back here. This is how the mic looks like. Very simple, lightweight. You can put the dead cat on. I normally don't use that because it's not super windy. So testing 1 2 3. Now I'm back here. You can see the volume there. And hopefully the audio sounds good because I have no idea until it's edited. So do give me a comments and how does it sound like if you like it. So I'm going to walk around with this and have a look and see how it sounds like while I'm walking. So okay, so the left mic is on here, and this is how it looks like with the wireless. It's super light, right? So now I can walk around, and then I can do my talk and not have. I wonder if you're picking up the bird sound. Where is it? It looks so interesting to hear that sound. He's somewhere up there, camouflaged. Can you spot him? Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's the one. You see, that's one there. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I didn't bring my tele lens, right? There he is. He's there. You can see. Very loud guy. So this high rock side. Hopefully you like the audio coming from here. Right, and do give me a thumbs up if you like this. This setup. I like it because it's way much simpler setup than the previous one I used with the Osmo Action, with the Comica, with all the wires dangling everywhere and the adapters. So this one has no adapter. This is direct, and then this is the best thing. The antenna is there, and you can see the light whether it's on and off, and you can check the volume meter as well. So, okay, I'll see you. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this, and do comment. Bye.